channel. Welcome back to another vlog of Shom's Lifestyle. जिन लोगों को नहीं पता, my car is for sale firstly and here you can see my car. पूरा स्टिकर विकर सब कुछ हटा दिया है मैंने. पूरा हेडलाइट ट्रैप देख सकते हो, बहुत खूबसूरत लग रहा है. एंड राइट नाउ वी आर एट GFC. कुछ काम के लिए आए थे एंड हियर वी गॉट 3 cars to shoot and 3 are Civic, the legendary JDM car. अभी 2 Civic आना बाकी है, 1 Civic आया. तो let's start with the shoot. B-rolls कैसा लगा मुझे ज़रूर से कमेंट करके बताना. And feature my bike and feature my car segment is still on in my channel. So if you want to feature your car or bike, just DM me on Instagram @invalid or username 404 और नीचे दिए गए WhatsApp नंबर पे भी WhatsApp कर सकते हो. Let's meet one of the famous person of Kolkata, Dr. Babu, our Dr. Babu. So Alunkada, welcome to my channel. First,
Hi.
अलुंका को फर्स्ट अपने पुंटो वाले अबार्थ वाले वीडियो में देखा था. अबार्थ वाले हम लोगों ने पूरा पोलो का डिक्की में बैठ के सिनेमैटिक्स लिए थे. बी रोल मतलब रोलिंग शॉट्स. गुड टाइम्स, एक्चुअल में गुड टाइम्स. तब अलुंका का सिविक गैराज में था फॉर सम मॉड्स. इंट्रोड्यूस करो.
Hi, I'm Alankar Patnaik. I'm currently an intern at KPC Medical College and Hospital, and this right here is my 2011 Honda Civic.
बी रोल से एंजॉय कर लो, फिर शुरू करते हैं वीडियो को एंड बताते क्या क्या है गाड़ी में एंड देन वील गो फॉर अ शॉर्ट स्पिन. रोलिंग शॉट्स भी आएंगे तो स्टे ट्यून एंड वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखना.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright.
शुरू करते हैं फ्रंट सेक्शन से. अलुंका दा, फ्रंट सेक्शन में क्या है गाड़ी में?
Well, as far as the cosmetic mods are concerned, first of all, we've got the projector headlights by Eagle Eyes Taiwan. Comes with projector as low beam and reflector in high beam.
High beam,
Also
matrix.
comes with DRLs and matrix indicators.
Matrix.
Red JDM Honda logos. I mean, it's like a mod that should be done to almost every Honda.
Every Honda cars. And इधर पे stay humble. Stay humble.
Stay humble.
It's a doctor's car by the way. Okay. इसका नेम क्या है?
The Silver Surfer.
Famous Civic of Kolkata. Let's come to the side portion of the car. तो side portion में क्या है उनका?
Stock alloys, obviously these are the alloys that came with the facelift model from 2009 onwards.
Yep.
Obviously got them painted in gloss black, and
and
brake
the
calipers have been painted in gloss red.
Glass red. Rear section में it has got the hexagonal tail lamps.
Obviously they are factory fitted. I didn't want
Factory
to change
fitted
them.
and this looks cool. Hexagonal tail lamps के साथ I guess कोई Civic
Modded Civic,
modded
मतलब
Civic
exhaust
नहीं है.
वाला and all that stuff. Probably the only one in Kolkata.
सभी में तो वो LED वाले लगा देते हैं, clear वाले. And इधर you got the JDM logos. ठीक है, पीछे पार्किंग सेंसर्स एंड ऑल एवरीथिंग है. म्यूगन का लोगो इधर में आप देख सकते हो. 1.8 iVTEC and what about the wing?
This is Mugen RR type ABS plastic spoiler. It's obviously a replica. Came in 4 pieces, but I couldn't install the final 4th lip. So instead, this is like basically like a Type R spoiler right now. The side blades are painted in the body color, and
yeah.
the middle blade has been wrapped in gloss carbon fiber.
Gloss carbon fiber and the roof is also wrapped in gloss carbon fiber. ठीक है, पीछे हुनिगन का लोगो just like my car. And what about the main? Let's come to the performance mods. What about the
So
main?
performance mods, I basically consider my car mostly stock. Because
Mostly.
the exhaust system, yes, because the exhaust system doesn't necessarily add much power.
Yeah.
The R18 engine is basically an economy engine that you can't mod that much, and if you try to like spend money on it, it's not worth it. Power gains are not that significant. So the exhaust system is basically a catback exhaust system. I did not mess with the headers, anything. It's obviously reversible. I can install the original anytime I want to. I just wanted to keep it as simple and as legal as possible technically. So it's a catback stainless steel system. The piping is from Automech and the muffler is a stainless steel Magnaflow muffler. Like it's an original one imported from the USA, brought in by N1 Racing. And thanks to Rohanda for like getting this for me.
Okay.
Like, and this is probably the only Civic in Kolkata which is using a MagnaFlow muffler for the past 1 year or so.
सो जस्ट स्टार्ट इट अप वंस एंड रेव इट लिटिल बिट, क्योंकि सोसाइटी के अंदर है, ज़्यादा रेव नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन वील गो फॉर अ ड्राइव एंड रेव इट फुल्ली इन हायर आरपीएम्स. बस होएगा जी, चले जाओ. सो अब हम करते हैं, व्हाट अबाउट द एयर फिल्टर?
Well, the air filter, I think it's a customary mod when you're doing an exhaust system. You should do an air filter. I did not want to do a cold air intake because I have heard that there's problems of heat soaking in the Civic FD1, and on top of that, I daily drive my car. So maintaining a cold air intake would be a bit of a task for me. So instead, I decided to go for a stock replacement air filter from Piper Cross Greece that has also been brought from N1 Racing.
Okay. And those wiper blades are dual blade wipers, I can see.
I mean, yeah, the original ones, they got damaged. Like, the car is 10 years old, so I replaced them. Okay, so the brakes, the stock brakes were quite worn out, so I had to replace them. I'm using Brembo discs and pads all around. Well, that's it. Simple.
मतलब the discs are changed.
Yes, the discs and pads, both of them are from Brembo.
Lovely combination. And what about the audio system? And then we'll hear output.
ऑडियो सिस्टम में बहुत कुछ नहीं किया है. ऑडियो सिस्टम में द फ्रंट स्पीकर्स दे गॉट डैमेज्ड बिकॉज माय विंडो चैनल्स they had fallen out. So had to replace them. When I was replacing the speakers, everyone suggested me to go for component speakers instead of coaxial ones. So I was on a bit of a budget, didn't want to spend that much on the music system. So the component speakers, one pair in the front along with a pair of tweeters. The car also has the original factory fitted tweeters. The component speakers and tweeters are from Focal Audio.
So with the set of focal component, it has a JL Audio subwoofer, the same subwoofer जो Urban Rap Chameleon Civic में मैंने दिखाया था, the same subwoofer. तो कौन सा amp में चल रहा है ये?
Amp है monoblock amplifier, Brazo का. Simple setup, nothing fancy. And the rear speakers are still stock because they are still working. I didn't want to mess with them. Okay. I do plan to upgrade the music system later on, but right now it's not a necessity. Like अब तक जो किया है उसमें काम चल जाता है.
काफ़ी
audio
है.
का. हाँ, काफ़ी.
And let's hear the audio output. ड्राइविंग अलंकार दास सिल्वर सर्फर. काकू साइड देखे, रेड लाइनिंग है. वी आर रेड लाइनिंग लिटरली एवरीवेयर. सब गाड़ियां लेके फ्लाई बाय रेड लाइन. चलो फुल फुट डाउन. ओहो ब्रो, द साउंड. আপনি আইডিয়া আছে কাকা, বললেই হলো. খেলতে হবে, খেলতে পয়সা লাগে.
একবারে তো সিভিক কাটবে না,
সে তো জানার কথা.
এখানেই তো কবি কিনে দিলেন.
রেড লাইনিং এভরিওয়্যার টুডে ম্যান.
অবশ্যই কেন রে ভাই।
So we are at the end of today's video. I look forward to seeing you next video real soon. Bye bye. Follow कर लेना Instagram पे @nimedi.username404.
Money and she knows that I live lavishly. I wanna live